Are Bornpretty soft gel tips just as good as some of the other name brand tips such as Apres and Jello Jello? Stick around and let's find out.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Keep my head up.
Today I'm excited to feature a PR package from Bornpretty. They were gracious enough to allow me to choose a few items, and I knew I had to try out their full cover soft gel tips, plus a few more goodies. I will also be creating a nail design using these products today, and don't worry, I will be leaving links to all products used in today's video. Also, they are currently having a 30% off for new users. Use code NEW30, and I also will be leaving my affiliate link as well. Let's go ahead and jump right into the unboxing. I received the following items: 3 10 ml bottles of the Aurora Cat Magnetic gel polishes from their Aurora collection in the following colors: AC02 in a rose color, AC06 in my favorite color, purple, AC01 in a blue, pretty blue. I thought all these colors had a very beautiful shimmery and holographic tint, so definitely the purple was my favorite. 1 box of clear full cover soak off soft gel tips in a short coffin. It consists of 550 pieces in 11 sizes. Cuticle area was very flexible and the tip was very strong. One 15 ml bottle of reinforcement gel, which I absolutely love the black and gold bottle and how it was packaged. I thought it was very sleek and elegant. And I actually did not use this product in today's nail design, but I do have a few ideas for future videos. One 15 ml 6-in-1 nail glue. It actually can be used as a base gel, extension gel, nail glue, nail strengthener, watercolor gel, and top coat. I loved how this came in a set. I thought the packaging was very pretty in its silver and holographic box. One 15 ml bottle of base gel. That was pretty. The silver top, very elegant. I loved everything about this set and the way they packaged it. And a 15 ml bottle of top coat. And lastly, 1 dual head strong cat magnet. The following items will be used in today's video: tips, Aurora Cat Magnetic gel polishes, 6-in-1 gel, magnet, and UV lamp. Now that I have shown you the items needed and given you the steps for a beautiful application, I will let the video play out. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
I've been hungry for affection, baby. Best believe that you got my attention, baby. Now I see you're there in my reflection. You're a part of me, and missing peace. Hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you. Oh, I found you. Yeah. Hide and seek till I found you. Oh, I found you.
I decided to use all colors on different nails. You will see I struggled a little with the magnet, so I decided to add another coat so I could see the magnetic effect. I have to admit, I used the magnet according to instructions on their website and couldn't see the results at first, but I think I accomplished something. I really love the tips. The tips are just as good and at a more affordable price, probably better than some. If you want high quality yet affordable soft gel tips, Bornpretty is the perfect choice. I would love to hear your experience with using these products and especially with the magnet. If you want to see more content like this, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or recommendations for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care.